In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split test your Google ads and get better performance specifically for responsive search ads. Whether you're new to Google ads or looking to refine your advertising strategy, split testing is an essential technique that will give you insights into what works best for your campaigns. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and navigate to the Google Ads website. You can easily find it by typing Google Ads into your search engine and clicking on the link that appears. This platform is your gateway to reaching customers and boosting sales through online advertising. Once you're on the site, you'll see the sign in option in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on sign in to access your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home interface. This is your central hub for managing and monitoring all your advertising activities. From here, find and click on the Campaigns tab on the left-hand sidebar. This will take you to a new page where you can view and manage all your advertising campaigns. We're going to focus on one particular aspect of campaign management today, experiments. So now look for the experiments option, which should be visible in the same sidebar under the Campaigns tab. Click on this and you'll enter a new section designed specifically for running different types of tests and experiments on your ads. In the experiment section, you'll want to select custom experiments. This area allows you to create tailored experiments that fit the specific goals and needs of your advertising strategy. Click on Custom Experiments and you'll see a screen that provides an overview of any existing experiments. But today, we're starting from scratch, so let's initiate a new one. Look for the New Experiment button and click on it. This will kickstart the process of designing a test that will help you compare different elements of your responsive search ads. By setting up a new experiment, you'll be able to test variables like headlines, descriptions, or entire ad formats to see which combinations resonate best with your audience. At this point, configure your experiment by naming it and setting your preferences for timing, budgeting, and targeting. Remember that the key to effective split testing is to change only one variable at a time so that you can clearly identify what influences performance. Adjust your settings as needed, and when you're ready, launch your experiment. Split testing is an ongoing process of learning and optimizing. After running your experiment for a suitable duration, typically a few weeks, analyze the results. Look for key performance indicators such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and return on ad spend to determine which version of your ad delivered the best performance. Once you have these insights, use them to make informed decisions about your future campaigns. And that's it. You've set up a split test for your Google ads. This practice will help you continuously improve your ad performance and achieve better results over time. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.